Hey guys, so I have something really exciting to show you today. As much as you guys know, I love video games. I'm excited for video games. And last week I took a look at GameStop and I constantly look on their site to see if they have anything new, any trade-in values, because I do trade in a lot of my video games to get other video games or systems and whatnot. And I noticed they had a Pikachu 3DS XL. Now I do own a 3DS XL. It's a blue one. I got it for Christmas. And I love the thing to death. I will sit there and I have one game that I sit there and play literally for hours and hours and hours. And it's just a fashion game and it's a great game. So I heard it was coming out today, and I also heard of Luigi's Mansion coming out today, and in the flyer they also had Just Dance 4 on sale, and I haven't bought it yet. I didn't want to spend $40 for it, because I already have the other Just Dances, and I use them to goof off, exercise, you know, stuff like that, and, well, my GameStop in my area opened at 11 in the morning. I decided, you know, quarter of 11, let's take a drive out there. I had my 3DS, the first one that ever came out, in my hand, ready to go in, and I got a trade-in value of $78 for that. Now, it seems like a lot, but it really doesn't when you pay a lot of money for it, but I got 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago now. So, I mean, it's really good for it. And either way, I was going to sell it for $100 on eBay, so this way I just saved myself a bunch of fees. Anyways, I walked in. It was kind of busy, you know, GameStop is always busy. And I ended up picking up Just Dance 4 for my 360 because I'm obsessed with getting achievements. And I do have the first two on the Wii, which I love. But getting this for the 360 is just even better for the achievements, like I said. One of these days, I will beat my brother. George, if you're watching this, I will beat you in achievement points. One of these days. I don't know how long it'll take if you're watching this. But I can never see you playing this game, so I'm honestly not worried. And I also got Luigi's Mansion. I'm excited for this. What's great that sounds really good about this game is that there's a co-op in this game. You can either do it with someone else who has a 3DS if they have the same exact games. You can play co-op with them. Or you can, like if someone downloads the game to the system, you can do it that way too. Or on the internet. So like I can randomly play with someone halfway across the country with this game, which is really cool. So, I'm really excited for this to play it. I haven't even opened it yet. I opened Just Dance. I played it already. I couldn't help it. I had to see what like other songs I can download and Gangnam Style's on there. I'm so downloading it and I'm so making a video this weekend. Anyways, so when I walked into GameStop, they had one of the 3DSs sitting there, and I asked a guy, I know him, I asked the guy if there was any left, and I got it. I am so excited right now. Look at this. It was the last one. Within 12 minutes they sold out. Which sounds crazy, but there's only two. This store only had two of them. Yeah, I know. Really crazy. But I have it. So I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know. Like, I know what it looks like. I've already watched an opening video, but I kind of just wanted to show you guys. Oh, it's exciting, actually. I just gotta figure out how to open this. So my other 3DS, by the way, if you guys are wondering, I gave it to my boyfriend. He originally bought it for me for this Christmas, and I did ask him if it was okay if I, you know, bought this one and he got that one for himself. I want to make sure first. He actually wanted me to trade it into GameStop. He goes, oh, why don't you just trade it into GameStop and, you know, get some more money off this system, and nah. You should have a 3DS. These are amazing. I mean, okay, the 3D part is kind of, it's okay sometimes and you really have to set up close and everything else, but the XLs are just, they're great. I love them. So anyways, this is what's inside. Comes up like this. I have the little action replay cards here, the AR cards. I call them action replay. I think they're called action replay. But they come with little AR cards. This is just showing Pokemon Mystery Dungeon, which I probably won't even play. This I can't show you because it's my PIN number for purchasing the system that you can use on the Disney Nintendo Club site, and just all like the paperwork on getting started. You're all probably watching this going, I don't want to see that! I want to see what the system looks like! What does the system look like? Oh my gosh! Okay. A plug. And they have this really like wrapped in here. Holy, oh there we go. And this is the game. It's so pretty! As you can see, I have Pikachu chilling out in the corner there. It's so yellow. Well, duh, Pikachu is yellow. This is the back of it. That's the front of it. So it looks like that when you open it up. So, of course, when I play it, people are going to see me playing like this. They'll be like, oh. It's white, which I kind of like. I have a white DS, and yeah, it might be stained or whatever, but this is going to be like a really well-used 3DS, I can tell you right now. So, this is really nice. So, I mean, it's limited edition. It's going to be really hard to find, and I know this is going to be a great Easter gift for a lot of kids out there. So, I know this is my Easter gift to myself. I did my taxes. So I got some money back, and I couldn't help but like really want it. So now I have a new 3DS XL, and my boyfriend has the blue one he gave me. But I want to show you guys what I got because I was really excited for it. So yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead, you can ask. If you have Luigi's Mansion, once I get used to playing it, I mean, if you want to play the co-op, sure. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm a little lost. I'm so excited right now. Bye guys. English. It's all in yellow. Oh. Mm-hmm. This is so exciting. Oh no. What's happening? Holy 3D.